just come past on Longton Road. Most people call it Trenton Road, but it's actually Longton Road. So there's Trenton Gardens, Hem Heath over there. I just noticed cars parked up. And I know there's Trenton Woods, but I didn't know they'd made it a walkway for the few tracks, but they're muddy. Everywhere's quite muddy. Oh yeah, look, stretches away back a bit, doesn't it? This should be a bit ancient in parts, because this wood, it's been around before my time. I can remember passing it when we used to go to Trenton Gardens. But you couldn't get on it, it's private land. So, anyway. Right, I'll stop videoing now because of these kids. Well, after walking on this well-driven path here, and it's pretty clean, there are a lot of offshoots for trails, but man, they are muddy and dirty. But you don't really need to do it. I've noticed they've got like clearances all the way down on each side. Maybe about 5 or 6 clearances I've passed coming up. I've been on this trail now several minutes. There's a couple just passing me and I asked, because they looked as if they were on a mission, where this leads to, and it goes to Wedgwood. That's not a bad place to lead to. I said, well, how far? He says, you'll come to some gates, and that's kind of the end of the forest. I said, so what walking time from here? Bear in mind, I've walked maybe 7 minutes now, steady. He says 10 to 15 minutes. I didn't realise that this woods was that big. Yeah, here's another cutting, look. Clearance. It's like some lighting, isn't it? And same that side, with benches as well. There's a bench there. Somebody's put a bag down, you've obviously sat on it wet, put a bag under the bum. But yeah, this is really another place I found in the potteries south of the city. So anybody local and hasn't found any place for walk the dog, don't forget to bring your poop bags and keep it clean. Here's a nice walk for you. Coming off Longton Road, if that guy's right, you're going to be looking at a 25-30 minute walk. I don't know whether you can do, you probably could do a round walk, but you wouldn't be going through the woods, would you? If you did a circular route. I don't know, I wouldn't think this would go right round on the edge and then go back to itself over there. So you'd have to double back on the path, unfortunately, but there you see something that you missed coming in. So yeah, lovely walk for your dog walkers and walkers, of course. Very nice. Forgot what it's called. Across from Hem Heath pub anyway, off Longton Road, but blink and you miss the cutting. So there is a loop around. I just asked this gentleman here with his dog, who's just walking down there. Says if I go to the end here and do a right, he says you go down on a road, I hope that isn't too busy, and then you come back past a pond and he brings you back around onto Longton Road. Not too far down, I hope, because I've just told him I parked down there, I don't want to go too far out. He says you'll do it 10-15 minutes. Oh, there's a horse here, somebody riding a horse. So these are official, do you call them bridle paths? I think they do, don't they? Where horses have got, well, they've got right away on roads. Right. Oh yeah, look at this. This is all opening up here now. This is really nice. I'm not forgetting we've got an overcast day, so plenty of birdsong going on. Like I say, it's a nice wide track, but there's some bloody mud in parts. Just asked the gentleman on the horse there. He's knocking on a bit, to be honest with you. The horse seemed really nervous when I was talking to him. Look at this here. This is opened up nicely, look. Benches as well. Really nice. I don't know why they do that route. I don't know whether they just sit down there on that bench. Give it 5 or 10 minutes, because I just don't know. But I will do. I will definitely return to here on a nice sunny, yeah, it's getting a bit boggy, and he said it could be a bit boggy, that route. But the other guys told me, who said it was dry, he says no, if you're going down towards the pond it's going to be a bit boggy in parts. Let's just see where this goes to. I've got more rattle than a rattlesnake, haven't I? I can knock this off and then do my last video with just birdsong on and just scan it. Just such a shame you can hear the industry. That's Newstead estate over that direction there. You can hear all the industry, can't you, and the noise. But it's still bloody nice, this is. I do like this. It's kind of a little bit of ancient wood mixed with. They've obviously developed it, they put these paths in over the years. Like I say, look, there's tracks in there, but really boggy. Got wellies on, you can go around and just have a nosy around. I don't think they lead anywhere. So that's it, Trenton Woods. I've got a picture of what it's now called, something to do with the Wildlife Trust. So thanks for looking in, and take care. Bye for now.